Hey everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Alexandra and I make videos all about thrifting, DIYs, and home decor content. So if you're interested in that type of video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below as well as the bell notification so you don't miss the next video. Today I will be showing you how I thrifted and upcycled this plain white basket into a super cute flower girl basket that I will be using for my own wedding. As mentioned in my last video where I DIY'd a wedding welcome sign, my wedding is coming up in October, so my next few videos will be mostly focused on DIY wedding decor. I picked up this basket at the Salvation Army for 99 cents, so you cannot beat the price. And I gave the basket a little refresh by spray painting it white. Besides the basket, all you need are scissors, hot glue, and faux flowers or greenery. I also picked up these placemats from the dollar store that mimic a cane look. Some shelf liners can also produce the same effect and are a great substitute if you can't find placemats of the like. I started off by hot gluing this cream bow to the outer top of the basket. I saved this bow from a gift that I got a long time ago because I love repurposing gift accessories for DIYs rather than throwing them into the trash. So that's a quick little tip for ya. Save your cute trash, you might need it. Then I cut off a few flower stems from this faux bouquet that I got from Michael's. I love their fall bouquets and they're often buy one get one half off, so check them out if using faux flowers for anything. I used my hot glue to press these into the inner top portion under one of the basket's handles. At first I thought I could use wire to secure the flowers to the basket, but it turned out that a combination of hot glue and tucking the stems into the open woven bits of the basket worked a lot better. I would cut your flower stems slightly longer than what I did in order to do that more easily. Although it's almost virtually impossible not to burn yourself with hot glue, try to be as safe as possible with this project as it's quite easy to burn yourself. I then repeated this process with a variety of other flowers to give the basket more color and dimension. As you can see, the stems of the inner part of the basket are visible, so I wanted to cover these in a way that was pretty and went with the rustic look I was going for. On top of that, I didn't trust the hot glue to be fully secure, so I wanted to add another layer of protection so the flowers stayed put. As mentioned, I got these mock cane looking placemats from the dollar store, and they're made of this soft, bendable rubber type material that could easily be cut to size. So I took my scissors and roughly measured out the width by cutting the amount of dots because I was too lazy to use a ruler. I had to cut about 1.5 strips of these as one strip wasn't enough to cover the whole basket. Then I basically hot glued it across the top of the basket, paying special attention to securing the placemat over the flower stems with more hot glue. You'll notice that as I was gluing the mat, it wasn't laying completely flat and there were a few unsightly folds. So after gluing everything across, my fix was to cut the mat where the folds were and then to glue them back flat down, which worked wonders. If you'd like, you can alternatively line the entire inner basket with this mock cane placemat or shelf liner, which would look super rustic as well, but I decided to leave the inner basket as is. There you have it, friends, a simple thrift flip with minimal supplies that beats paying $50 or more for this type of wedding decor piece. Plus, I feel like this basket can even be used as a seasonal home decor piece after the wedding, so it will never go to waste. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of this DIY and whether you have any thoughts on what I should make next, as I would love to hear from you. If you enjoyed the video, I would love if you could also hit the like button, as it really helps support my channel. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and until next time, bye for now.